Good morning, Mr. Johnson. I'm Dr. Smith. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. Not very well, to be honest. I've been having chest pain for the past few days.
I see. Can you describe the pain? Is it sharp, dull, or more like pressure?
It feels like pressure, right in the center of my chest. Sometimes it spreads to my left arm.
And when did this start?
About 3 days ago. It comes and goes, but it's worse when I'm walking or doing anything active.
Do you have any other symptoms, like shortness of breath, dizziness, or nausea?
Yes, I do feel short of breath sometimes, especially when the pain gets bad.
Thank you for sharing this. Have you had any medical conditions in the past, like heart problems or high blood pressure?
I have high blood pressure, but I haven't had any heart issues before.
That's helpful to know. I'd like to run a few tests, including an ECG and some blood work to check your heart's function.
Sure, doctor. Is it something serious?
It's too early to say, but these symptoms can sometimes indicate a heart issue. It's good that you came in early.
Thank you, doctor. I've been worried about it.
I understand, Mr. Johnson. Let's start with the tests. Once we have the results, we'll discuss the next steps.
All right. Thank you for your help.